everyone. Dave Barlow here with Sell for 1%. We got the gang of four back here today. Everybody's healthy and feeling better and looking sharp for the Christmas holidays. Let's jump right into interest rates. SB, what do you got for us?
Well, happy holidays, everybody. And we've got some good news. You know, the Fed recently here in the month of December raised the interest rate another 0.5%. And, you know, and doing some reading on that, Dave, when the Fed raises the rate like that, it really doesn't affect our mortgage rates except with the ARM products. And with that being said, for the 7th consecutive month, the Fed has raised the rate. And this week, our interest rates have held steady, which is good news.
Yep.
Maybe a little more money in your pocket to get out there and do some holiday shopping. The 30-year fixed rate continues to be at 6.125. The 15-year rate is 5.625. And the FHA rate this morning was at 6.25. And so great news that our interest rates are holding steady. And in doing some research, a lot of the economists, a lot of the predictors are saying after we get into 2023, look for those rates to drop back into the 5% area. So good news if you're getting ready to get into the real estate market.
Good news for home buyers for sure. Yeah, we talked to Rich Saccone over at Equitable Finance last week. And Rich said that a lot of what is built into mortgage rates is predicated on, you know, what the economy is doing, the consumer price index, looking at inflation rates and so on and so forth. And so they already kind of knew the 0.5 point raise was going to come from the Fed. That was already built into expectations. And so when the CPI came out and it was a little lower than expected, it actually pulled those interest rates down some. So again, good news for home buyers. The other part of that is inventory levels have continued to be around 3,000, and we'll talk about that a little bit more, but there's more homes on the market, interest rates coming back down, and I can tell you that my sellers are open to helping with closing costs. And so we haven't seen that in about 2.5, 3 years, that a seller is actually saying, hey, I can help with closing costs, versus let's list it for this and expect $30,000, $40,000 higher than our list price. So a lot of good news out there in the market for home buyers. All right, guys, thanks.